Hello students of standard 10. Today we will see construction of a tangent to a circle at a point on the circle. First method is using the center of the circle. An example is construct a tangent L passing through a point P on the circle with center C. Now see here, construction of a tangent to a circle at a point on the circle using the center of the circle. We have to construct tangent line by using center. Example, construct a tangent line L passing through a point P on the circle with center C. First we will draw a rough figure. Take center C. Now take any radius because radius is not given. This is circle with center C. Now take any point P on this circle. Now we have to draw a tangent passing through point P, which is on the circle. Figure will be like this. This is rough figure and this tangent is L, center C. Now how to construct it? First, now this is rough figure. Now fair figure we have to draw. Take center C, use your rounder, keep it on point C, and with any radius you draw circle, and when radius is given, that time you take that much radius by using your ruler and draw circle. So circle is ready here with center C. Now take any point P on the circle, then you draw a line or a ray from point C and passing through P like this. Then use your rounder, keep it on point P, take radius less than radius of circle and draw two arcs on ray on both sides of point P. Now in between these two arcs we are getting one segment here. Draw perpendicular bisector of this segment, taking more than half distance in your rounder. Draw two arcs on both sides of this segment in this way. Now keep your rounder here on point of intersection. Draw two more arcs which are intersecting to the previous arcs. Then use your ruler and draw a line passing through point of intersections of arcs. Now see, this line is passing through P, it touches the circle, that's why this line is tangent to the circle, its name is L. This figure is fair figure. For this ray you can give here name CX now. Now your homework is, see this practice set 4.2, example number 1 and 2. Solve in your Maths 2 notebook.